Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Cole's Farm. It's March 24th. It's just after 12 noon and about 68 degrees here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. So I'm out here in the bee yard. Just wanted to make a quick video. I'm not going to be inspecting them today since I just inspected them last week. Instead, I am going to be adding a super to hive number 1 and hive number 3. And for the first time, I'm going to be feeding them 1-to-1 syrup using the 2-gallon bucket method. So the only reason I'm feeding them is because the supers I'm going to be adding are brand new. They both have brand new comb, which hasn't been drawn out, or brand new foundation that hasn't been drawn out at all. And ironically, I grabbed a black foundation and a yellow foundation. So I'm curious to see if the bees draw either one out quicker than the other. Granted, there's going to be one variable, and that is hive number 3 potentially has more bees since they are a 3-deep brood chamber, and hive number 1 is just a 2-deep brood chamber. So that is the only variable other than the bees, obviously. So I will make a follow-up video in about a week and just kind of pop the tops and look in the hive to see if the bees are drawing either one of these foundations out better than the other. So I just took off the ratchet straps that secure the hives to the hive stand. I have not gone in them at all. So I'm going to put my gloves on just because the bees, as you can see, the few guard bees that are already challenging me have been a little more testy these days than usual. And I am going to grab the camera, pop the tops, and show y'all how the hives are looking as I see them for the first time since a week ago. So let's see how things are looking down there. Grab my hive tool, always important. Alright, so kind of as expected, I was just in here a week ago, so not too much propolis. And here we go. Yeah. Busy as usual, and back on the camera. So I'm gonna box everything up, put the lid back on, since I didn't come out here with any smoke. See a hive number. Oh yeah. Yeah, they should work the supers pretty aggressively. Alright, the new frames with the new yellow foundation, I'm going to put that on hive number 1. Okay. And that is what the final product will look like. I'll ratchet strap it down just to secure the telescoping cover to the pail. But that is 15 grams of 1-to-1 sugar, inner cover, brand new honey super, and a queen excluder. So the bees should have plenty of feed to start drawing out some new comb. Now I'm going to take care of hive number 3. Alright, and the bees are back on the counter. Actually, a bee, well, it's stung right around the stinger is stuck. Alright, well, anyway folks, hey, thanks for watching. Super short video. Basically just how to use a 2-gallon pail to feed your bees. And an easy way to get some new supers, drawn out some comb. And then obviously you don't want to feed your bees when there's a honey flow. Honey, so remember not to feed when you have super spawn to be packed with honey. But yeah, that's it. Short video today. Just how to feed some bees and, you know, simple way to draw out some new supers. Thanks for watching Cole's Farm. I will be back next weekend for a full inspection of each hive, and next weekend's weather should be fantastic, so it should be a pretty pleasant time out here in the yard. Alright, thanks for watching. Like the video if you like it. If you dislike it or don't like it, leave some comments. If you see me do anything and you have any questions about it, or if you have any tips, I try to read the comments and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks again.